Hey guys, I'm sorry I just couldn't make a video yesterday. It was a very important day. I had to make a video since there was a huge drop in the market. So I just want to go back and explain to you why there was a drop and how did we take trades or how did we go through that time. So let's look at the Nifty chart. You've been seeing that all the way from May 27th to 27th May. There has been an uptrend. Okay, you see there's always been an uptrend, and again there was a drop, and again an uptrend, and there was a drop, and again uptrend, drop, again uptrend, drop. So it's just one of those days that Nifty was overbought. Okay, Nifty was at its highest position, and it had to eventually drop, right? Because there are people who are going to be selling their or locking in their profits. That's the most simplest way I can just put it. Like, the high retail investors or the major stockholders have sold their shares and they have taken profits. It's as simple as that. So you see that we have drawn an 180-day moving average line, and it holds so good every time there's a huge drop, right? So you see there was a huge drop on 12th June, right? Because it was overly bought here. You see, look at the RSI, it's overly bought. It had to fall down, so it fell down. Again there was a rise, again there was a small drop, again rise, drop, rise, drop, and then finally a huge drop here on 3rd August, right? That was near the EMA moving average line, and then again it rose, again it dropped, again it rose, again it's dropped. And trust me guys, after this the minimum push that it's gonna have is all the way till here, right? It's till 11,712. That's the minimum I can see an uptrend, and it might go from there. So what does it mean for people like us who are just beginning? So it simply means that this is a great buy time. It's as simple as that. RSI is nearly at 30, or it's almost near 30, right? It's below 40, so definitely a good time to buy. And for us, before, whenever it was overbought, it was the time to sell. So do always follow the Nifty charts, because when the Nifty is completely overbought, the entire market falls down, right? So if we see, I'm gonna just give you a glance of all these stocks that actually fell during that drop. Axis fell, you see, Infosys fell, ICICI Bank fell, SBI fell, Balakrishna fell, Reliance fell. See, everyone actually fell. So that's what it is. See, Nifty is basically our standard measure of how Indian markets do. So if Nifty is falling, that means that everyone's fallen. That's why Nifty is fallen, right? So now let's get ahead with our video for today. What are the buy opportunities that we have today, right? So I'm going to give you a quick glance. You can decide what you want to buy, where do you want to buy. I'm going to give you my personal opinion as well. So Axis Bank, probably a small buy, right? Infosys, great time to buy. ICICI Bank, nah, you could wait. SBI, you can, or it's just too late, it's just already gone from the oversold side. Balakrishna, please go buy once it crosses the moving average 180 line. Just go buy Balakrishna. You can expect a profit of easy about 3%, or in fact you could try it 4, but kind of risky. So 3% is a good profit. You can go with Balakrishna. Definitely my suggestion would be on Balakrishna. Reliance, you might want to hold on to that, not yet. Sun Pharma, please go buy once it crosses the moving average. Go buy it right here, somewhere there. Yeah, that should be a good one. All the way 3%, beautiful. So you can buy Sun Pharma, right? Then Wipro, I'm just gonna remove Wipro. It's just annoying, it's just too flat, right? So HDFC, nope, sorry, don't. Titan, you have lost the opportunity, but you could still try. It's above the exponential moving average of 15, so you can try that one. Pidilite is going to be one stock I'm going to buy, because you see the marks that I've given. I've already explained this in my previous videos. This might be the time for me to buy Pidilite. So I'm going to wait for the candlesticks to go just above the 15 exponential average, and I'm going to buy it. So Pidilite is going to be one. Bajaj Finance is my today's biggest investment. Once it crosses the moving average, I'm going to definitely buy Bajaj Finance, because right from here till here is a whopping 3.5% easy. I'm definitely going to go with Bajaj Finance. L&T, you might want to hold on to that. Cipla, yep, doing good. Let it cross the moving average, you can buy. Kotak, no. Naukri, yes, please buy. It's a flat market. Signs of a flat market, you can actually buy it right now and keep the stop loss at around that resistance support levels. 3% you can expect the support to be, and 5% to be your take profit. Naukri, definitely. Asian Paints, nope, we lost the opportunity for that. Jubilant Foods, nope. That's it. So my biggest investment today would be on Bajaj Finance, definitely, Naukri, and Pidilite, right? So that these would be my picks for today. So let us see what happens, and very soon I'm going to be explaining to you the mistakes that I made in my next video. I think that was the day when the Nifty fell. I think it's day before yesterday. So I did take few trades. I think it was L&T and Pidilite, and I had some losses there. You see, this is the loss I was talking about. And was it Titan or is it Pidilite? I'm not sure. I think it was Pidilite. So I'm going to be explaining you to that. So please stay tuned, and thank you everyone.